નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Dear children, today we have to learn in standard 10 subject social science chapter number 5. The name of the chapter is India's heritage of science and technology. It means ભારતનો વિજ્ઞાન અને ટેકનોલોજીનો વારસો. The discovery and the invention in the field of science and technology have brought the countries of the world closer. What happened there, dear children? Why the world is closer? Because the discovery as well as the invention in the field of science and technology, due to them the world to be the closer. Cooperation among all the nations has increased. Hence the new attitude has to be the developed. What happened there, dear children? The cooperation among all the nations was increased. Due to that the new attitude has to be the developed. Countries have become oriented towards the peacefully coexistence in the world peace. Science means systematic knowledge. What is the meaning of science, dear children? The meaning of the science is, it means the systematic knowledge, and technology, it means the practical utility of systematic knowledge. What they have given, that science means systematic knowledge and the technology means the practically utilize the systematic knowledge, and that's why we can say that science and technology, in spite of being two different words, they are linked with the each other. After they have given that heritage of the ancient India in the field of science and technology, it means પ્રાચીન ભારતનો વિજ્ઞાનના ક્ષેત્રે વારસો. The great sagas of our ancient India have gifted invaluable heritage of science to the world. What happened there? Our great saga, it means Prachin Bharat, Rishi Muni have given the gift invaluable heritage in field of science of the world. They have made outstanding contribution in the field of metallurgy, chemistry, science of medicine, surgery, mathematics, astronomy, astrology, Vastu Shastra and the physics. What they have given that? They have to given that. They have given us Dhatu Vidya, Rasayan Vidya, Vedic Vidya, Cell Chikitsa, Ganit Shastra, Khagol Shastra, Jyoti Shastra, Vastu Shastra, Bhautik Shastra. These all things they have to given. It is the matter of great pride of us. India have contributed not only to the field of the literature, art, religion, education and philosophy, but also it has made the immense contribution in the field of science and technology. Modern age research have proved that India has a scientific attitude along with the religious outlook. What they have to say that? They have to say that India now has a modern age with the research as well as the scientific attitude with the religious outlook. After they have given about the metallurgy. Metallurgy means Dhatu Vidya. Since from the ancient time, the people of India use the metallurgy in their practical life. It means the people are using the metallurgy in their practical life. Ancient India made extraordinary progress in the field of the metallurgy. A metallic idol of female dancer discovered from the Indus Valley civilization. What happened there, dear children? You have to find the idol of a female dancer discovered from Indus Valley civilization is an example of achievement of the ancient India. Later, statue of Buddha belonging to the Kushan period have been found in the Takshila. In South India, during the Chola period, the numerous metal idols were to be the made. The statue of Nataraj, what they were given the dear children, this is the important. The statue of Nataraj as a masterpiece in the sculpture is the famous all over the world. It is a preserved in the museum at Chennai. Another well-known metal idol of the Ram, the archer, can be seen in the museum. Artisan statue of God, goddess, birds, animal, and the battle cutter are to be the considered to be the best example of the metallic art. All of them have important place in the history of India. After, dear children, we have given about the information of the chemistry. Chemistry, it means Rasayan Vidya. Chemistry is an experimental science. Dear children, be careful. What they have given there, this is the most important. Chemistry is a one kind of the experimental science. Experimental science, it means prayogatmak vignan. The science is very useful for the various mineral, plant, seeds for agriculture, making of various metals, or to bring the changes in them. It is also useful for making the medicine. What happened that, dear children, we can say that chemistry science is also useful for making the medicine. Acharya Nagarjuna, a learned Buddhist of Nalanda University, is known as an Acharya in the field of the chemistry. Dear children, we remember who is the Acharya of the field of the chemistry. Acharya Nagarjuna is the Acharya in the field of the chemistry. He had written the book. He had also written the book. The name of the book is Ratnakar and Arogya Manjari. These are the name of the book. Which book? Ratnakar and Arogya Manjari are written by Acharya Nagarjuna. He was also the advocate the use of allopathy along with the herbal medicine. It is believed that the use of mercury ash as a medicine was initiated by him. What they would say that it is believed that use of mercury ash as a medicine was initiated by him. Nalanda University had its own school of chemistry and Florence for the study and the research. The description of men, ras, upras, 10 types of poison as well as the various types of the soil and ash of the mineral is seen in the chemistry. The copper statue of the Buddhas reflect the expert knowledge and skill in the field of the chemistry. What happened there? The copper statue of the Buddha reflect the expert knowledge and skill in the field of the chemistry. The copper statue of the Buddha discovered from the Satulgan in the Bhagalpur district in the Bihar. What they have to given that we have to find out the Buddha statue from the Sultanganj of Bhagalpur district of Bihar, 7.1/2 feet high and the weight 1 ton. The statue of Buddha at what they have given that the statue of Buddha at Nalanda is 18 feet high. How much? 18 feet high. And the example is of the Vijay Stambh of 24 feet high of the iron pillar, which weighed the 7 ton, built by Chandragupta II. In spite of the nature fury over the century, the pillar is not yet corroded. It means what happened there? Presently we can say that this pillar has not yet corroded. Corroded means start lagyo nahi. And this is the best example of alchemical lore of the India. And this is the best example of the Rasayan Vidya of the India. After, dear children, they have given the of science and medicine and surgery. What they have given that science of medicine and surgery. It means Vedic Vidya and Salp Chikitsa. India attained an unprecedented achievement in the field of medicine and surgery. What happened that, dear children? India attained an unprecedented achievement in the field of medicine and the surgery. Since from the ancient period, Maharshi Charaka, they have to given the name that Maharshi Charak, Maharshi Shrut and Vagbhatte are the pioneer of the Indian medicine, science and surgery. Dear children, who is the pioneer of Indian medicine, science and surgery? Then you have to write down the 3 names: Maharshi Charak, Maharshi Shrut and the Vagbhatte. Through their intents of the research and reached to the greatest height. After they have given that Maharshi Charak has written a book. Dear children, what happened that here? Maharshi Charak was written a book. The name of that book is Charak Samhita, in which he mentioned our 2000 medicinal herbs. What happened there? In Maharshi Charak book, they have written about near 2000 medicinal herb. It means how we can use the Vanaspati Aushadhi explanation given in this book. Maharshi Shushu has mentioned the instrument used in the surgery. What happened there? Maharshi Shushu has mentioned the instrument used in surgery. The instrument were so sharp that they would split a single vertical hair. What happened there, dear children? Here, that instrument was so sharp that they would split a single vertical hair into two divisions. Same happened that here, Vag Bhatt. What happened there, dear children? Here, Vag Bhatt has also written the book, and the name of that book is Vag Bhatt Samhita. Is also a very important work. Study of Charak Samhita, Shushu Samhita, and Vag Bhatt Samhita is very useful for the every doctor. Which book is useful for the every doctor, dear children? Be careful and remember. Charak Samhita, Shushu Samhita, and Vag Bhatt Samhita is very useful for the every doctor. Hindu herbal science of the ancient time is enriched with the use collection of mineral and medicine from the plant and the animals. This has presented a detailed and complicated process of making medicine, their classification and their usage. They could even stop the blood circulation with ball shaped bandage. What happened that in that time? They could even stop the blood circulation with ball shaped bandage. They could skillfully operate on abdomen, kidney, cataract, hernia, stone, piles, bladder, etc. It means what they have given that they have to say that in that time पेडू, मूत्राशय, सारंगाठ, मोतियो, पथरी, हरस, भांगेला हाडका, बेसाडवा. These kind of the things are to be done at that time. They could classify also join the broken and displaced bones and accept the things pierced into the body easily and skillfully. Recognize the symptom and diagnosis the disease. They also gave the dietary direction after the post recover by the disease. Their knowledge of plastic surgery. What happened that dear children? They have also knowledge of the plastic surgery as well as joining of nose and the ear. At that time, dear children, what happened? They have knowledge of the plastic surgery as well as the joining of nose and the ears. They showed a keen interest in teaching the student the method of the surgery. It means, dear children, at that time they also teach student the method of surgery by doing surgery on dead body or on the wax statue. On the which statue? On the wax statue. They conducted the risky operation during the delivery. They were expert of the pediatrician as well as genealogist. It means we can say that they are also the expert of the different field. Veterinary science also developed in the ancient India. What happened there, dear children? At that time they also developed the veterinary science. They wrote a book on the disease related to the horse. It means Ashwa, and the elephant. It means the Hasti. Among them, Hasti Ayurveda. They have given the Hasti Ayurveda after Salihotru, and the Ashwashastra are well known. The scholar and the science writer of medicine, Vag Bhatt, made a valuable contribution through his work, and that is known as the Ashtan Hadaya in the field of diagnosis. It means in the field of the diagnosis they have to given the valuable contribution by the Vag Bhatt. Thank you, dear children.
Thank you for joining us.